Not yet, but I'm working on it. I'm going to visit your channel, Sir Robby, because I'm visit your channels, channel. I'm visit your channels once in a lifetime, once in a blue moon. Ano ba yan? Wow, because your content is more on food. That's why when I'm going to your channel, I'm always hungry. Always hungry. Oh my God. Maybe this one, fried chicken. I want fried chicken. Thank you. You have shop. But here, why we don't have shop like that? Like yours, Sarah and Sir Robby. Sarap. This is chili. I love, spicy food. Not too much spicy. Excuse me. Elijah Brown, hello. Welcome back. Look like I'm dizzy. Maybe because of my eyes. Oh, that open. What is this? June, July. June. How about this one? August. August. For the month of July. June, July, August. Yes. Babayaran ng tubig eh. To be here. I also like spicy food. I want spicy. I like spicy, but not too much spicy. It's good to be here. Thank you. I'm finishing this. Wait lang. Ayun. With you now, I need someone like you in my life. It's so nice to be happy. Antok talaga ako.